All right, let's now take the breast cancer data set. Here I have one random forest, so this one I'm gonna make a copy, and we will use this one as the base. So let's open it. And the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna change the name. From copy random forest, we will make gradient boosting machine breast cancer. And then as always, I'm gonna run the code. And the code is running well. And remember, we had a very good result. We had a 98.2 accuracy with random forest. So I can reuse again a lot of the stuff. And basically what I need to do is just replace this block of code. So I'm gonna delete it. Yeah, and I'm gonna take this out. So and now we're ready to, now we are ready to add GBM code. Yeah, and it's gonna be pretty similar as we did before. Is we're gonna install that Bayesian optimization code, which is done. We're gonna import the necessary libraries, and it's basically also the same as we did in the exercise just before this one. So, and the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do Bayesian optimization. It's exactly the block of code that we use in previous exercise. Let me take a look here. Parameters are good. It's called model tune. Here everything is fine. Cross validation fine. And then here we have the function xboost CV. Yeah, 5 iterations. So that should work well. Xtrain is a capital. Do we have that? Yeah, Xtrain is a capital, so we can keep that. So let's run this thing. And this again can take some time. All right, we're done. We're done, and now I'm gonna define a model just as we did before, and then fit the model. So let's take a look at the parameters. Learning rate is 2.16. Call sample by 3.7, gamma 0, maximum depth is 10, child weight 4, estimators 138, I would say, and subsample 0.6. So it's exactly it's roughly the same as the previous one. So let's run it. Let's make a prediction now and run. And here we go. We see we have also accuracy of 98.2%. Now let's take a look at the confusion matrix and run it. Here we go. And here again, we don't have any false negatives. Yeah. So this is actually a very good result. And it's a result at the same level as random forest.